Hey guys, so here is a mini haul. This was just for a couple days, like it's storming and bad outside. So hubby and I went to go grab some stuff, and all of this stuff is from Sav-a-lot. So I'm gonna start from the left. Over here we have some buns. I'm gonna be making some barbecue chicken sandwiches. Y'all, we are trying, but it's been a little bit difficult. Rizzy requested a roast. And he actually reminded me of it when I was in there trying to get some snacks. So we had to get the roast. And I wanted some beans. So yeah, I got some Jiffy, which y'all know I did a video. But since he's going to be doing his thing, that's what he uses. And I use it. What you say, babe? Huh?
That's what I use. Hey, nah. I said I'm gonna use the Jiffy because I'm making it.
Yeah, that's my thing. Yeah, so we all love Jiffy. Don't get it twisted. We love Jiffy. But when I want to do something special, we do the homemade thing, but we still love Jiffy. But since he's going to be doing
I can't do scratch, so.
Yeah, you heard me say I can't do scratch, yo. So, anywho, so he's going to be doing some, what you doing, babe? Collards? Well, I probably do the collards. He going to do the roast or whatever. We just going to help. But this is what he wanted, was some collards, and he wanted some cornbread. So, to put with what Rizzy's, request, and I think I'm just gonna do like carrots or something like that, cut the carrots and stuff up. But we kind of help each other in the kitchen, but when he say he's doing something, I don't bother him because we all like that as well. So Rizzy wanted some spicy chips, which she already started eating them before we got home. I wanted some chocolate chip cookies, just something just to snack on, just to have. So I got those. Then I got 2 bags of the pinto beans. They didn't have no black eyed peas, and I really wanted them. Then I got some smoked turkey tails. Never had those, guys. I haven't had them. Hubby did. He said he liked them. So he said ain't no big difference from the necks. And actually is more meat. Then we got these collards, which I know I washed them myself many times. I don't care if it says pre-washed. And then Rizzy wanted some curly fries to eat with our barbecue chicken sandwiches tonight. And then we have a little plethora of aloe juice. And I have three watermelons, 3 strawberries, 1 fruit punch. Rizzy's drinking a fruit punch right now. And then I got a mango. I'm like the only one that really like mango in the house. Well, I think the kids don't mind mango, but my hubby said it does something to him. Like he don't really like the taste or whatever. So I don't get much mango. So I just got one of those. So yeah, this is our mini haul and I wanted to share that. And this should be, well, I know for the roast, that might be about 2 days that we can eat that. The beans might be about 2 days. So then we got barbecue chicken sandwich. So this will be about 5 days because I still have other stuff to go with this stuff that I'm making to kind of stretch us into this next week of eating. So yeah, this is our next week of eating haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about anything up here, please leave it below. Y'all know my store is Aldi's, but since that we were going to T-Mobile, this store was closer and Aldi's was way on the other side, so we decided to just hit up Sav-a-lot because they have some great stuff for low prices as well. And so I said, you know what, let me share what I got. So this is what I got. And we probably won't be eating meat for a while after that. I don't know. We're trying to do our best to stay away from eating much meat. But this really. Alrighty then. All right. So yeah, this is our next week of food. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure you get notified of all my new videos. And when you subscribe, you become a reviver and be a part of my family, which is something I am happy to have more of you. I'm happy to have more of you. So yeah, this is our little haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I said that, but later, gators.